टुडे टॉपिक टुडे टॉपिक इज एंटीडोट एंड पॉइजन। आज जो शुरू करने जा रहे हैं वह है एंटीडोट्स एंड पॉइजन। एंटीडोट होते क्या हैं? एंटीडोट द रेमेडी ऑफ काउंटरैक्ट या न्यूट्रलाइज द इफेक्ट ऑफ पॉइजन, या तो रेमेडी टू encounteract या neutralize the effect of poison. This is known as antidote. Antidote mediated its effect either by preventing the absorption of toxin या और by binding and neutralization of poison, या फिर antagonizing its and organic effect or by inhibition of conversion of toxin to more toxic metabolites. These are the antidote mediated effect. या तो they are prevent the absorption of toxins, या binding and neutralizing the poison, या antagonizing its and organic effect, or या inhibiting conversion of toxin to more toxic metabolites. These are basically they are antidote mediated effects. The antidote classified in three ways. First one is mechanical and or physical antidote. Second one is chemical antidotes. Third one is physical antidotes. These are three types of antidotes. The mechanism of action of physical antidote or mechanical antidotes. These antidotes encounter the effect of poison mechanically and preventing the absorption without inactivation of damage action of poison. Poison के without action of damaging the action of poison, they are prevent the absorption या encounter the effect of poison mechanically. They are mechanism action of antidote. These mechanical dots are demulcents and diluents. Demulcents the produce protective coating over the mucous membrane of stomach. These demulcents the produce protective coating over the mucous membrane of stomach to protect its the form of action of poison. ये क्या करता है? उसके एक्शन को प्रिवेंट करता है। किसका? पॉइजन. These are milk, eggs white, starch, milk of magnesia, या or and aluminum hydroxide gel. If person is demulcent also helpful, the protect the layer of mucous membrane, the prevent the action of poison using milk, egg whites, starch, milk of magnesia and aluminum hydroxide gel. Another one is diluent. Diluent also helpful to dilute the poison and delay the absorption. First one is diluent is water and milk and other similar drinking material used for diluting the, if person is taking poison, if given the more water, they are dilute the poison, and giving them milk, they are dilute, they are delay the absorption of poison. Next one is chemical antidote. There are different chemicals used for removing the poison. This example is there's a weak non-ionic alkalizing and corrosive agent. Weak non-carbonate alkaline and corrosive acid poison. The weak as vegetable acid, agar if you are use weak vegetable acid, they prevent the poisoning of corrosive alkaline poison. Mercury, if person is taking mercury poison, they are use albumin. Copper sulfate also phosphorus poisoning. They are used for phosphorus poisoning. Potassium permanganate, they also use phosphorus and nitrophenol cyanide poisoning. The tincture lugal solution, lead poisoning, alkaloid poisoning and strychnine poisoning, and tannic acid used for lead, mercury, nickel, zinc, copper, aluminum, cobalt. They are combined together, and then nicotine poisoning and strychnine poisoning and cocaine poisoning. They are used for, these are chemical poisoning. Next one है physiological antidote. Third one is physiological. These physiological antidote, these antidote act on tissue or organ and antagonize the action of poison. These जो physiological antidote indicate the condition where poison has been already been given absorbed from the circulation. Example, जैसे atropine for phosphorus compound, barbiturate for strychnine poisoning. Different compounds, जैसे they are use atropine for organophosphorus compound. If you person is taking poisoning with organic phosphorus compound, they use atropine injection given to the patient. They are helpful for treatment of poisoning. And they are, a person is taking strychnine, they are giving the strychnine poisoning. They give barbiturate injection. They are helpful for treatment of barbiturate poisoning. नेक्स्ट वन इज पॉइजन. पॉइजन क्या होता है? पॉइजन, पॉइजन any substance that when introduced into absorbed by the living organism caused by illness, death, this is known as poison. They produce cause illness or death. They are giving antidote. If person is taking poison, given antidote, they are, these agents, they encounter the effect of poison. Different antidote use physiological, chemical. They are cyanide poison. They are use sodium nitrite, and they are prevent the absorption of poisons. Mechanically also use activated charcoal. Also use the prevent the poisoning. Chemically, just the sodium thiosulfate cyanide poisoning change the chemical nature of poison. Cyanide, if a person is cyanide poisoning, if given the sodium thiosulfate, they react with their formation of chemical nature and then helpful in treatment of poisoning. Now we start antidote drugs. Which antidote we use for antidote? They are used sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate, also known as sodium hyposulfite, sodium hyposulfite, and natria thiosulfate, antichlor, and these are known as synonym of sodium thiosulfate. They are also known as sodium hyposulfite, antichlor, या natria thiosulfase. These are also known as synonym of sodium thiosulfate. The molecular formula of sodium thiosulfate is Na2S2O3.5S2O. Their molecular weight of sodium thiosulfate is 248.17 is the molecular weight of sodium thiosulfate. Their sodium thiosulfate, basically the physical property is their sodium thiosulfate is colorless monoclinical prism or crystal, or coarse crystalline powder. They are basically is the property of sodium thiosulfate. They are found in coarse crystalline powder, or crystal or monoclonal prism. They are colorless. They also have odorless. If you take smell, they are odorless. If you take test, they are cooling, bitter, saline test. If sodium thiosulfate is open, is stored in open, they are delinquent in moisture, and efflorescence in drying air. If you heat more than temperature 33 degrees Celsius, the formation of efflorescence in dry air. The sodium thiosulfate also soluble in water. They are sodium thiosulfate. They also soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. They are insoluble in ethyl alcohol, ethanol. They are also known as ethanol. They are basically the property of sodium thiosulfate. Our next one is how to prepare sodium thiosulfate. They are used different method for preparation of sodium thiosulfate. Their first method of sodium thiosulfate preparation, if sodium sulfide react with sodium, sodium sulfide is react with sulfur and boiled, the formation of sodium thiosulfate. If sodium sulfide boiled with sulfur, the formation of sodium thiosulfate. They also prepare, another method is if sodium hydroxide react with sulfur molecules, they also formation of sodium thiosulfate, sodium sulfide and water. They are different process for preparation of sodium thiosulfate. The industrial scale sodium thiosulfate prepared by liquid based product of sodium liquid based product of sodium uh, sodium sodium sulfide, or you are doing sulfur dye manufacturing. The aqueous solution of, if you use aqueous solution of sodium sulfide and heating with sulfur, or boiling aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and sulfur, the formation of a sodium thiosulfate. If sodium bicarbonate and if sodium carbonate react with sulfur uh, sulfur dioxide, the formation of sodium thiosulfate and carbon dioxide. If these sodium thiosulfate react with sodium carbonate, they are formation of sodium thiosulfate. These are process for formation of industrial scale. Their sodium carbonate react with sulfur dioxide, sulfur, and then formation of sodium bisulfide, and disulfide react with sodium carbonate. They are formation of sodium thiosulfate, water, and carbon dioxide formation. They are basically industrial scale, and they also prepare. If you use small scale, they are use sodium hydroxide and sulfur uh, boiled with boiled the formation of sodium thiosulfate in laboratory scale. And next one is chemical property of sodium thiosulfate. Chemical property of sodium thiosulfate. Number one, sodium thiosulfate is decomposed by dilute acid. If sodium thiosulfate is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, they are formation of sodium chloride and sulfur. If sodium thiosulfate is decomposed by hydrochloric acid, the liberation of sulfur dioxide and precipitate of sulfur and sodium chloride. Another method, another reaction, if sodium thiosulfate decompose slowly with cold water, if you readily decompose by heating, if sodium thiosulfate heated, decomposes cold water and rapidly decompose by heating, a sodium thiosulfate is decomposed to sodium sulfate, sodium sodium sulfate and sodium sulfide formation. These sulfide formation of sodium, uh, their formation of sulfur. If sodium thiosulfate react with barium chloride, their formation of barium thiosulfate. If they are used, uh, if if they are used, uh, use barium chloride, sodium thiosulfate, formation of barium thiosulfate and sodium chloride. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आता है हाउ टू यूज और यूजेस ऑफ सोडियम थायोसल्फेट. सोडियम थायोसल्फेट is used as antioxidant. They also use as an antidote for in treatment of cyanide poisoning in combination with sodium nitrate. If used in treatment of cyanide poisoning, they are used with the combination with sodium nitrite. Sodium thiosulfate also used in as an antifungal agent, and they also use in different application, bleaching of bones, strain, ivories. They are bleaching property also. They also fixation of photographic work, hyposolution as a, they also use as a standard so titrant and iodometric titration and anti-chlorine bleaching operations. They also use. They also use in calcification in hemolysis patient with end of stage of renal disease. They also use in treat calcification and hemolysis process. There are different applications of sodium thiosulfate. नेक्स्ट ड्रग है ये, these are drug of sodium thiosulfate. Next drug is uh, these are sodium thiosulfate.